PG in the game position where now I think they're going to turn it into a sport to ground down at this point. So I think they're going to do the point.
They've just been totally destroyed this night.
Okay, like what can CNC do realistically?
So let's look at what kind of fight they need to fight in order to do that. They have to get a go. They need to like that. They need that. I would say it's honestly a really good Nlighten game. I think he's good as all 5 of his heroes. I would say it working. I don't.
So if I see that one working, that is a Nlighten. Well, I'm not going to go against Alan 2000. I'm not thinking.
Okay, let's quickly talk about Nlighten since he's going to be the top of this game. Like I said, good match against Razor and Bat. I would also argue Nlighten is really good against Lion. It's a hero who doesn't like when summons get on him, because Lion has really good lockdowns, but he can't like it. All this stuff comes together nicely, so pretty hopeful for TNC from that. As far as the PG goes, it's more of the same, very strong laning. They get the Razor, who's a great laner. Arteezy's playing a safe lane with Shrek. I think it's going to also be very like in TA5 in the beginning. As Abed will kill mid together with Crit.
Yeah, Crit making his use. I mean, again, we've talked about this before, position 4s. It's not like the old days where they just roam all the time. Like a lot of times it's a 2-1-2 setup. But this is exactly what Earth Spirit is for, and I can't think of a better Earth Spirit player than Crit. He's at least top 3 in the world.
He's very, very good. I think what sets Crit aside from a lot of other Earth Spirit players is not necessarily spell casting, because there's plenty of Earth Spirit players that are good at that. It's his ability to teleport effectively. I think that's what's really hard on this hero, is that whenever you top level, you commit a lot in this patch, and he just has a very high success rate on TPing at the right time and finding key kills. And this time is no different, getting that first blood made himself huge for Abed. And he also acknowledges the fact that, well, I may be playing an offlane Razor, which traditionally is really bad 1v2, but guess what he's laning against? I can leave this guy alone for a little bit.
We can take a little bit of damage here now that Bugumi's getting some arctic burn applied to him. It's like I said, ooh, pretty close. No, finally ends, and you have that extra attack range. Crit has come back to help. But yeah, so overall, like, with this Nlighten being taken into account, I don't think you told me which one if you actually like more. Or is there still like this big unknown factor because there is?
It's honestly still unknown, but I like since he's confident. I like what they're going for here. But I don't know if I would just theoretically just flat out favor their lineup based on drafts. The good news for them is hopefully based on this early game, their laning phase should go better than last game. So we have another kill, this time in the bottom lane. Razor combining with the Earth Spirit.
We got another good laning start, at least at very early stages here. Getting the first 2 kills both in mid and in the top lane. In terms of last hits, okay, he is off to a pretty good start, so that's the one lane where they haven't really
Just being dove really hard here, by the way.
oh yeah, you're right on that one. Go to the 3.
Double
TPs.
TPs.
Yeah, I think both can't survive.
That's minus 200 volts.
And I think with
plus
this,
1 down.
Hobbit might want to get a little bit more aggressive. The Firefly is down now. 5 seconds. Sticky napalm, and that last right click.
That is really
TPs.
bad news
Yes,
for
very
TNC. Fortunately, even though this is going terribly, it's still better than last game, so that's something.
That's the silver, that's the copper line.
There's that, yes. The wood line.
Quincy Crew, they'll turn their attention over towards finishing PYW as well. They get the 2 supports. The rest of BG Gaming hounded back off. All of them will get caught by the trap slow. Just got 3 points in Dragons, but look at 4 of them heading in. They book one back instead. The Dream Cores drop down, breathe fire in, and Ori's able to step to the side. Will manage to dodge that. They turn towards Ori. Ori's going to die for his effort there. As the puck goes down as well, BG Gaming, they've got to step back. Noir and Quinn continue to posture incredibly aggressively here. Old 11 is hiding in the trees. MSN with that fight being a heavy loss for Vici Gaming, they're not going to be able to keep a hold of this tower. It's going down.
Oh, and they pretty much have a Spirit Vessel done on Leslau too. They're gonna have Dragon Lance done on Quinn. Yawar has army. Ori's so far behind that he doesn't have burst damage. Dude, he still doesn't have lead damage. 1, 4,
It's
and
such
3.
a hard game for him. He's having such a tough time.
They can't reclaim areas at all because of how Quinn is playing it now. Immediately toward the top, they set up the wards in the area too with the Venomancer. Everybody here. Quinn still continuing to farm on Ancient Side. He's got a haste rune to be able to come to his team. And it just feels like it's a lot more time needed for Vici to have any fighting hope now.
Yeah. I was going to say, it's not a meme, it's the PYW.
없이 삶이 무너지기 시작해. 급기 죽음을 이뤘어. 분명하다. 우리는 자신의 죽음을 또 어느 영원한 피해자를 추가하고 싶지 않았을 거지.